In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks and make the most of its data import features. QuickBooks is a powerful tool for managing your finances, and understanding how to efficiently import data can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to QuickBooks. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the address qbo.intuit.com. Once you're logged into your account, you should find yourself on the home page. This is the central hub for all your accounting activities within QuickBooks. Now that you're on the home page, your next move is to locate the Highlight button. This feature is designed to draw your attention to important functionalities within the program, so go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you'll be ensuring that you don't miss crucial steps in the QuickBooks navigation process, and it gives you a clear view of where you need to focus next in the importing setup. Once you've familiarized yourself with the Highlight feature, it's time to move on to the data import process, which is a key function of QuickBooks that allows you to seamlessly bring in all your vital information. Look for the Import Data option and click on it. This will direct you to a section where you can manage what data you want to bring into QuickBooks, ensuring that your records are up to date and accurate. Upon entering the Import Data section, you'll see various options for the types of data you can bring into QuickBooks. The first type we're going to focus on is bank data. By clicking on bank data, you can import your banking transactions, keeping all your financial records in one place. This is particularly helpful in staying on top of cash flow and monitoring your business's financial health. Next, let's head over to the Chart of Accounts. Click on this option if you wish to import your existing chart of accounts into QuickBooks. This will ensure that you maintain consistency in the way financial transactions are categorized, making your financial reporting more accurate and comprehensive. After managing your accounts, you'll want to keep track of your customer interactions, and that brings us to the Customers option. When you click on Customers, you import all related data, which helps in managing customer relationships more effectively and allows for better customer service management. Finally, the last step in our data import process is dealing with invoices. By clicking on Invoices, you can import all your transactions and ensure that your billing is spot on, helping you manage sales and track payments efficiently. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to importing essential data into QuickBooks. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to making the most of your QuickBooks experience, keeping your financial data organized, and staying in control of your business accounts. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.